Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, Nihar Designt. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. May you new my channel, not like it first, but I definitely confirm that. Stay tuned to keep watch my video. It will be liked from the beginning, and like will become love. Thank you for subscribe my channel. Now let's come. How do you do my favorites from RHB online? I will show you step by step. Hope you can get. After logging in with RHB online account login password, go to the dashboard, top left side. If you click on 3 lines, scroll down, you will see many options. My account, my favorites. We clicked on my favorites. I will see many options again. We will transfer instant funds. So I will click Duit Pay to Account. The OTP one-time password will go to our own mobile. That has to be done here. Then I will submit. If I have previously made an account my favorite, all the list can be seen here. If any of the previous want to delete my favorites, you can do it from here. Just select, click, delete below. Go to the new windows and submit. Will be deleted. OTP will come to your mobile. Now we will make my new account my favorite. In the corner on the right, the Add My Favorites option. My Favorites option can be seen. I'll click. We need to fill out this form. Bank name, payment type, account holder name, mobile number. I will like that account as soon as the instant fund is transferred, because with the success of the transaction the payment will be done in that account. I double-checked the account number. I gave the account holder nickname, account holder phone number. Select your desired bank name. I select May Bank. Select payment type. For instant transfer, I select fund transfer. Write down your desired account number. Write down account holder name. Then account holder phone number. I click preview for see everything okay or not. Write down OTP from hand phone SMs. An OTP will go on my phone. One-time password I will put here. I will click to see if our information is correct. account number, account holder name. Automatic software is showing as soon as it is submitted. So all my data is fine. I'll do it now. If I want to print and save, then I will click on Save option. OTP will come to my phone. If you want download, click download. If not, click cancel. Click close for next windows for make transaction and other transaction. OK. You can see here already added my favorite account number. I will click on the search button on the right and click make payment. Ready for transaction. My favorite account. I hope you find the video useful. Next, how to make a transaction from my favorites. I will bring the video. Thanks everyone, stay well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like. If you want to know more, please comment. I hope to reply to your comments in time.